Hello, class. Welcome to week 14, a look back. You are at the end of your semester, and for some of you, the end of your undergraduate education. So congratulations. You are so close. And I just want you to know that throughout this week, I'm here to do whatever I can to help you as you cross the finish line. So call, text, email, whatever you need to do to ask any questions at the last few remaining days you have of the semester. So for the overview for this week, as you can see, I'm just going to touch briefly on it, but the basic purpose of this week is for you to reflect back on your assignments, your group work, your shadow experience, all of those things, and think about how these exercises and assignments helped you to refine skills and be able to more clearly articulate what you are trying to tell an audience. As we've been encouraging you to try and think professionally, speak professionally, what skills have you been able to acquire or be able to refine? And then also, the purpose of us doing this is because the job market is becoming increasingly competitive. And from working in human resources, I see this on a regular basis. So we want you to be able to leave BYU Idaho with a solid skill set that will help you to be able to compete in the job market you'll be entering into. And then also, one of the objectives for this week in the overview is by recognizing the roles that different exercises or assignments have played as you've been learning about the big picture of advocacy. And so that you've been able to learn how to think strategically, which is what communications, one of the important principles of communication is to be able to think strategically. And we want you to be able to take that into your future career, future families, future church service, future community involvement, all of that. So then with the three specific objectives that we have, is to help students from being able to do certain advocacy related topics to be able to think strategically. So it's not just that you were just doing the exercises, but you've moved from just doing the work, going through the motions, to thinking strategically as to why you did the exercises that you did, and to be able to clearly articulate the reason behind that. So the second objective is to increase the level of professionalism of job-related documents, such as a resume, also your issue book that I would critique that you guys did wonderful work on. And then the third objective is to link course-related activities to actual employment opportunities. So to be thinking about how what you have done throughout the semester has prepared you for future employment and community involvement as well as church service. So we're going to review the elements of advocacy that you learned at the beginning of the semester, which is really important for us to be thinking about how in all of our different areas of our lives that it really comes down to these elements, that you have the grassroots coordination, people working together, that teamwork at the very beginning, and how you have experience and knowledge and things that you need to learn about. You do research, strong coalitions. Again, that's coming back to teamwork. And then legislative and judicial engagement. It's important that if you feel strongly about a cause that you are recognizing needs action taken, that you're getting that legislative involvement, that judicial involvement. Encourage laws to be passed or laws to be changed. Feel like you can be actively involved, which is what the leaders of our church have asked us to do. And then strategic communication. So once you know that you have this plan of what you want to do, how are you going to move forward and do it? What is the way that you're going to strategically communicate the goals that you have, the objectives that you have? And I just want you to be thinking about how you can apply that to different areas. So just to summarize, I just want to thank all of you. One, for your hard work. I have been so impressed. This is my 4th semester teaching for BYU Idaho, and I have never had a class of students that have had shown the work ethic that you have. and not making excuses or asking for several extended deadlines or things like that. You get your work done when you need to get it done. And I've been very impressed with that. That goes along with your dedication. I've been very impressed with your dedication. There's a lot of work expected in this course, and you have all shown extreme dedication. And finally, for your examples, as I have read through your weekly reflections, I've been so impressed with what your experiences have been and how you have been able to learn and grow through the things that you've been through, and the depth of your testimonies. It's been amazing. So I just want to thank all of you for everything that you've done throughout the semester. I'm here to help you as you finish out your final week. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.